That's
Boom!
impossible.
Headshot. Ooh, 360 no scope. Knife. Stop being a lemonhead. Lemonhead? Yeah, lemonhead. Sounds kind of racist. It's not racist. I'm pretty sure it is. How is lemonhead racist if it has nothing to do with...
Hey guys, I can shoot out of my hand.
That's impossible.
No, really. Look.
Oh my god, you killed Bob. You really killed Bob. You're going to jail, man.
Well, if I get a good...
Oh my god, you shot my clone.
Sorry, it's my first day. It's just every time
He's dead.
I try something new, I end up
calling the
killing
police.
people like Bob and your clone.
You shot me.
I'm sorry.
Why? How does that even happen?
It just kind of happens
Ah.
without any...